What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I just wanted to make a quick video to show you my new installed Metra95 double din along with the Sony Xav7000 and two new 6.5 2 ohms Cicada horn speakers. I did the installation. I'm very pleased with the outcome. It took me about 6 hours, but overall the color matches the vivid black on the bike. It came painted. The Sony Xav7000, the CarPlay works fantastic. If you have an Android, they also have that option. I just wanted to bring to your attention that when you install 6.5 horn speakers from Cicada at 2 ohms, this radio comes with a built-in 400 watt amp. It is not powerful enough to run both of them. And so what would happen with mine is at high volume, the radio would shut off completely. So I went ahead and purchased the Cicada 1400.4 amp to run these bad girls. They're both running at 300 watts RMS. And I went ahead with the 1400.4 Cicada amp because I'm going to be upgrading the saddleback speakers as well. I'm going to get the 6.9 2 ohm horn speakers here hopefully in the next couple of weeks. But I have everything pre-wired, so it should be an easy installation. So I just want to give a quick shout out to NoteCycles. Extremely happy with their product. Their customer service is phenomenal. You can call them. If you have any issues, they will address them ASAP. Guaranteed. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.